No, I know you wanted. All right, we're at the Volo Museum in Volo, Illinois. Oh, who else get a wristband?
Two, only one.
That's it. 3 adults and 2 kids.
Yeah, I still talk.
Spanguli. If we get Spanguli t-shirts, then Spanguli will put our picture on the TV show.
For our guests interested in purchasing them. Thank you for your respect and cooperation.
They have king cat.
Look at the gremlins.
Talk to her again. That girl.
So ask someone else. What are they called? The 4 little shavers?
You can ask ice cream to turn on the.
Okay, thank you. Ice cream? They said the ice cream worker will turn it on. Where's the ice cream? Which way is the ice cream worker, they said, could turn on those animatronics?
Yeah, if you get over to that.
Thank you.
Don't show me. What is it?
So the Play-Doh, oh, this? I think it's clay, yeah.
Hi, my wife and kids want to know if you can play the animatronics there.
Yeah, sure. Did you want like a specific one?
They want all of them.
Sure, I'll play them one by one.
Okay, I think first start with the quartet. Thank you.
The words wreck my heart is like I'm like a baby. There is no maybe. I know my pain. I never knew what love could do. My heart is reeling. The way I'm feeling is simply great. Feel that fiddle and ready for love. I can jump over the moon and above. Feel that fiddle and ready for love. Feel like a feather floating on air. Feel as little and ready for love. So the church bells will be ringing and the hearts will fly and fall. All the church bells will be ringing again. Ask your fiddle, what did she say? Feel as little and ready for love. Listen to the fiddle. The beat beats fiddle. Fiddle and I'm ready for love.
I can't believe you saw that. It existed.
You want to ask them to play the other ones by the... Look at the gremlins.
Look at the gremlins. That's not an orange. This is the only one in the
They said they'll play the other ones. You just got them. I thought they said that. And then there's the pirate show in here.
Because this is why we're here. I can't believe I saw this. Excited. Do you understand that there's a...
Yes, the ice cream shop. No.
What are they called? The Sinclair Moldoramas, but Jurassic Garden.
Okay. Do you want to see this other?
What about King Cat? It's the only one in the world. And what about this one?
He's going to turn that on now.
That's the first one that's wrong.
All right, you guys, that's enough of a break. Come on, wake up, time to get back to work.
They must be so simple. But I've been practicing my yoga. I was in the middle of a meditation state. My mind was at peace with the world, a complete blank.
Oh, a complete blank, huh?
Right.
No different than when you're awake.
That's not nice. Now stop right there, you scared bird. Why all the racket?
Sorry, guys, I was just in the mood to serenade the lovely ladies in the audience. Oh, Ron? Oh, hello there. Can I interest you in a cup of cappuccino?
Stop it, bird. Relay that noise and be quiet. I'm trying to think.
Oh, please, and don't. You might hurt yourself.
What?
Are you trying to make a fool out of our captain? Oh, I would never do such a thing.
Who?
I prefer a greater challenge than that.
Captain, Polly, please. This arguing is not conducive to a pleasant work environment.
What's he talking about?
I haven't a clue.
Maybe the overgrown luncheon is right.
We should be nicer, kinder, gentler.